Hi friends, and welcome back. I hope everyone had a great week this week. Well, as you can see, I'm in my car. I'm actually on my way to the grocery store. My oldest daughter and two grandsons are coming up to spend a few days with us, so I need to run and get some more food. The little guy loves to eat. But I wanted to hop on, say hello, and do a little intro to today's video. Earlier this week, I popped down to the Boston area to visit my other daughter. She had recently moved into a new apartment and I hadn't seen it yet. So, of course, I wanted to go down. She'd been in a couple of weeks. So I took her a little care package of homemade goodies from home here. And as I was doing it, I thought, you know, Mark always kind of laughs at me. Everywhere I go, I need to take a little something. And I got to thinking about that. I have just always done it. I've done it because I truly enjoy it. I'd never want to go to someone's home empty-handed. I don't know. I was just curious. Is that something you do? I wasn't necessarily taught that. Maybe through example. I don't know. Let me know below if that is something you do. Do you always take a little something if you're going to someone's house? I was just curious. I'm looking at the rays of sun. Isn't that interesting? Okay, I guess the sun is shining down on me today. I'm gonna leave it. So part of the little care package that I took for my daughter, it included some homemade cookies. And I tried a new recipe, but you know me, I make all of the changes, and they were delicious. Even my daughter said, write this down in the book. It's a keeper recipe. So I'm going to show you what I made, and I will include my version of the recipe below. If you choose not to use Einkorn Flour, which you know that is my flour of choice, you certainly can convert it over to using your all-purpose flour, just 1 for 1 cup per 1 cup. It's not a difficult thing to do. So I'm going to show you first what I made here at home, what I took to her, and then I'm going to share the few hours that I spent in Boston. I went into a new place. I've been by it numerous times. Many of you are going to be shocked. I've never been inside. I'm not going to tell you where I went. I'm going to make you guess. It was absolutely beautiful, just beautiful. I cannot wait to take Mark back so that I can share that with him too. Okay, friends, enough chatting. Let's go ahead and get started with the video. Well, what did you think? Wasn't the Boston Public Library absolutely gorgeous? I had no idea that it was museum-like inside. Just beautiful. I have added to my bucket list to go for tea sometime. I've been told you do have to book it out 3 to 4 weeks ahead of time. But wow, would that be worth it? Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you have a wonderful week, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.